Welcome to Boy Bukas channel! Here we go! Another short unboxing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So we got here is from Alibaba. So kung medyo bali ano to, yung MAZINGER Z na ulo niya. So I think ginawa nila tong, actually I believe ang original design nito ay Ashtray. But medyo naging famous at to be safe dahil as a toy, dinescribe nila ito na parang baso. So we'll see kung ano pa rin yung function niya as a ashtray. So sa mga naninigarilyo, this is a cool way to, there you go. So yeah, ashtray pa rin siya. So unang lumabas yung Gundam. Yep, here you go. So ito yung unang lumabas na Gundam, pero as baso lang talaga siya. Ayan. So here we go. The Ashtray MAZINGER Z. So, ayan. Pakita pala yung mga box para, sulit dahil, oops, may tama dito. We don't know about that. Wala na siya sa box. So, meron pang alloy model, multifunctional water cup. There you go. Okay. Let's see. Ako din yung packaging niya, no? I believe yung Gundam, parang hindi ganun kano yung budget niya. There you go. Ay, so yeah. Ito yung ng ashtray. So, what else we got here? So, it's some metal. Okay. And here you go. So it's not bad. It's a cheap one, but really creative and good idea, right? This got a nice mag or ashtray. So here you go. To move that kanyang filter, right? So yan. At yan. So siguro yung Gundam pa meron din ito, kaya hindi nila nilagay kasi parehas lang din yung loob eh. Right? So yeah, this is unlicensed. So this is a knockoff. But really cool. Wala namang original nito eh, kundi knockoff lang. So there you go mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.